back to the channel. Today we're going to be building a P51 Mustang RC airplane. So first step, we're going to get some M3 screws that are 15 centimeters long, screw in that motor plate, screw those in. You can use Loctite if you want. Once we get those screwed in, we're going to just insert it and then tighten up those M3 15 screws. Next we're going to put the cover on and let that dry. Then after that, we're going to get these little metal pieces here, glue them in, and we want to make sure we connect the ESC because it's a pain to connect afterwards. Once you get that glued in, it's going to start looking really nice. Then we're going to put in this little peg that's going to connect the back. We're going to get some SG90 servos and screw them all up. Make sure they're in there sturdy. And then, yeah, definitely make sure to center the servos. Again, using metal pegs, we're going to get the tail section on, and then it's pretty straightforward from there. Glue everything on, stabilizer, elevator, rudder, get that all hooked up. A lot of the parts use these metal rods, so everything will be in the link in the description. So if you want any of these parts, just go in the description. Okay, once we got the end done, we're just going to glue that together, and that's our fuselage. Next, we're going to work on the wing. The wing's pretty straightforward as well. There's these pins that you use. I designed, you can just use, instead of carbon fiber rods are optional, so we're going to just glue all those pins in. If you're using carbon fiber rods, just glue those carbon fiber rods in. Next, we're going to place this SG90 servo in. Make sure it's centered as well, and then put that screw on top to make sure it's sturdy. Then you're just going to glue the end of the wing on, following the aileron. You want to make sure that's all centered too when you connect the aileron. You want to make sure the servo's centered and the aileron is in flush position, so that way when you bend it, it's proper position. Okay, after doing that, we're just going to glue on that wing tip. Use a little rods to install the aileron there, and then we're pretty much all done. Then we're going to repeat that twice. And then I made these little pieces. Those are the bottom of the pins. So you can just glue those on, and those are super sturdy. They work really well. Unfortunately, this plane did not fly, only because I crashed it before I flew it. But if I reach 10,000 subscribers, I will build this plane for a 7th time and get a video of it flying for you guys.